Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eby George. So this tutorial is like an upgrade of the high puff wig. This is a low puff wig. Okay, if you haven't seen the high puff wig tutorial, go check it out so that you understand proper what we are doing here. Okay, I'll be leaving the link down there in the description box below or up here, anywhere. Just go check it out so you understand better what we are doing here. Now I have this ponytail at home. I did the tutorial in my previous video. I have it at home. I decided to switch the style to this style. Now you can achieve this style with any kinky hair of your choice. Now what I did first was to unravel the hair, unravel the ponytail, and get the hair ready for work. Okay, now I had the two kinky hair I used to achieve this style. Now I'll be using just one section to do this style, meaning if you're working with any kinky hair, you'll be needing just one pack of kinky hair to achieve this style. Okay, first off I went ahead to remove the rubber band from this hair. Okay, then grab my scissors and cut it into two, like so. Okay, so when you're done cutting your hair into two, arrange the hair, get the hair ready in a way that it will be very easy for you to grab. Okay, so after that, the next thing to do is to grab your wig, your mannequin head. Now the tutorial of how I made this wig cap is there in my channel. To know how I achieved this wig cap, go check the video out. Okay, so I'll start by crocheting on the down part. Now while working on this very part, make sure you're not crocheting the elastic band, just crochet the lace alone. Don't crochet the elastic band. Why? If you do this, the cap won't be able to stretch again, so be careful not to crochet on the elastic band. So I'll be crocheting just throughout those elastic band. I'll allow you guys to watch through and I'll be back.
For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart, they dance a lingo. See as our name, the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, no say you my one. You know, say, now it's about on the coast, my guy. Hey, I'm at the edge. The edge on the beat. I'm at the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you, hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, I go take you down after all this time, not today, yeah, be the day.
So now after working on the elastic band, the next thing is to start working on the cap. Okay, so now I won't be crocheting on this cap. Like if you crochet on a cap like this, it's always reduce the size of your cap because you're grabbing like the cap together and is reducing the size. Okay, that is why you sometimes make wig its own size your head or your customer's head. So I'll just be sewing it down, okay, with my needle and thread. Grab your needle and thread and sew it down. Okay, now this is what worked for me. This is how I achieve my own style. So you can use anything that work for you, but this is what worked for me, and this is what I used. Okay, so I am done crocheting one line, like a whole of that line. I crocheted it. Okay, crocheted it is the English word, I don't know, but shy, you understand what I mean. So we're focusing now on the front parts. Okay, the front part is still the same method. Sew it down with your needle and thread. Now I didn't tell you guys, when I was crocheting I double knot it, like you double knot it so that it won't lose. For the front part, if you're sewing it, sew it in a way that it won't lose, like sew it very tight. Okay,
Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I will always be here for you, baby. That is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. Say for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, as I they put in the ringo, my heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby. No say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby. No say you my one and only. You know, say now it's too far on the coast, my guy. Hey, up at the edge. The edge on the beat. Black Wall Street. From my heart. Shit, up at the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not go leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby. No say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, again, I am go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Come my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I dey feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything balokasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty ya bossa. Couple other girls swallow my bone. Dosa. Sifa no kwa chuku jello. One day your bulla mo mel. Your bulla kwa mo bello. No be ije mo jello. No be say me I do past them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chuku aloka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl. I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I'll always be here for you, baby. That is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, tell me.
Now, after sewing the front part, the next thing to do is to tack it down. Why are we doing this? We are doing this so that when you put it on your head, it will lay very properly, like it will lap on your head, like the baby hairs will lap very well on your hair. If you don't do this step, when you put up the wig, it won't lap very well. So go ahead and tack throughout the front part.
From my heart, shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I will take you down the after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah, I will ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything what you want, again, I am go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Come my fans for me, make them dance for you.
When you're done tacking the front part, the next thing to do is to drag out some baby hairs. Okay, drag out the baby hairs. Okay, then you pack the hair the way you want it. Like in the high puff wig tutorial, I use rubber band to pack the hair, but in this one I'll be tacking down the hair. Okay, like I use my needle and thread to tack it down to make them lay low at my back. I didn't use rubber band on this. Now this is what I mean. I just use my needle and thread and then tack it down. Now note, I'm not applying the needle on thread on the cap. I am just applying it just on the hair, not the cap. When you're tying it down with needle and thread, don't touch the needle and thread on the cap, just the hair. Okay.
Finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything walo kasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty at bossa. Couple other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifa no kwachuku jello. One day your bulla mo mel. Your bulla kwa mo bello. No be ije mo jello. No be say me I do past them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them.
So we are done tacking it down. The next step now should be to style the hair the way you want, like trim it. If you want your puff to be big, you trim a little. If you want it to be small, you trim and trim. I wanted mine to be as realistic as possible. I trimmed it because I wanted a small puff. I don't want a big puff down there. I trimmed a whole lot out. Okay, Now guys, let's talk. What do you think about the style? Like, come on, it came out looking really realistic. Like, you will never knew it's a wig, except I tell you it was looking like my own natural hair. Like, it was looking so beautiful without a glue of any sort, no elastic band at the back. You just wear your cap and you're off, you're looking all natural. Okay, so I tried it on my head to see how it looks. I went ahead to put it up. Okay, then when you put up the wig, always drag out the baby hairs. Okay, like, come on, what do you think about this style? It's looking like my hair, like it's my hair. It came out looking really beautiful, and I love the outcome. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end. If you're yet to subscribe, come on, didn't I try? I did. Support your girl by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button, then the notification button to know when I upload new video. Feel free to ask your question in the comments box below. Yeah, if you're not clear in any way, leave your question there. I will sure attend to it. I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.